Hello guys, congratulations on your selection for the website annotation project. So some of you are interning with us and some of you are long-term raters. So here this particular video explains you from the beginning to the end of the entire training on how to do the task, how to access the tool and how to troubleshoot if you get any issues. So to begin with, the first step before accessing the tool you should be doing is changing the proxy server. So to do this, so have a Windows 10 PC. I will be showing you how to do this in Windows 10, and we will also be sending you a PDF file which shows how you can do it in Windows 7, Windows 8, Mac OS, and all. So that will be a separate PDF file which will be sent over to your email, and you can use that to set proxy settings in those kinds of PCs. So first search for proxy, then you will see this option called change proxy settings. Click on it. So you will come to the screen here. For most of you, the use setup script button will be in off. You should click it on, and we will be giving you this particular link which you should be pasting and click on save. So this is the first step you need to do, because our client's tool is not accessible in normal PCs. So we change the proxy location of your PC to the client's location in order to access the tool. So without doing this step, you can't access the tool. So the second step is to open Chrome or Edge. So only these two will primarily work. So if you use Mozilla or any other browser, you will be facing issues. So refrain from using that. So there will be this link review.intern.facebook.com/intern/search_team. So this is the URL which you will be working on. This will be shared to you. So you can see that you're working on the tool which intents of Facebook does, because this particular project is given to us by Facebook. So you will be working on Facebook's internal tool, and this particular tool is used by almost all the MNCs who are working with Facebook. So the experience you gain here will be useful for getting jobs in all the MNCs, including Wipro, TCS, CTS, Tech Mahindra. So all these companies who are working with Facebooks work on the same tool. It is called Single Review Tool, or SRT. So also keep in mind that all the details we share with you are confidential. So you can't share it personally with anyone. So keep it confidential as much as you can. So once you enter this URL, click on it, you should see the screen. So if you don't see the screen, something is wrong with your proxy settings. So you should definitely see the screen. So it will ask for a username and password. This username and password will be shared to you via email when you get the welcome email. So you put in your username here, proxy username and proxy password. So after doing that, click on sign in. So now you will end up coming here. So now you need to enter your SRT email address. It will look something like that. This is the demo email address. So you it will have plus SRT in it. So you should do that and click on continue. So then you enter the password which is already given to you over email. So this is SRT username and SRT password. So you should be entering them here. Then click on continue. So then you will be taken to the tool where you will be seeing the tasks you will be working on. So this is your work tool. So here there will be different verticals here. So currently you only work on search matrix vertical, so you only see that. So these are the three types of tasks you will be working on. So the primary aim of this task is to test which websites are original, which websites are good for Facebook users. And this particular project work is aimed to help Facebook understand websites. So whenever you post a link on Facebook, Facebook wants to know what that particular link is about. So this project is aimed at understanding those websites better. So if it's a shopping link, it wants to know what the website presents. So here there will be three different kinds of tasks. One, attributes. Two, media. And third, text. So there will be three different kinds of tasks you will be doing. You can do any one of that based on the availability of work. So you can do either text or media or attributes. So each have a different pattern of work. So I will show you how to do that. And before doing that, when you choose which task you want to do, first click on please select a task. So let's say you wanted to do media first. So you can click save and enqueue. Select that and click save and enqueue. So just wait for 30 seconds, then you will see this screen. So this means some of the tasks are already allotted to you. So then you can proceed with that particular work. So have clicked media. So now I click just go here. This is the option to start working. So first let's start with media. So I'm clicking just go on the media work. So these are the test queues. The actual production queues will load later. Initially, we are testing on how the work is going on. Then we will be adding a separate production queue. We will let you know the details over email and the WhatsApp groups where your project coordinators will support you, so on. So I'm clicking on just go for media. Yeah. So when you first open the SRT, you will get this particular error. It says that you should link your Facebook account to this SRT. So then what you need to do is just copy this URL at the top and right click and go to that particular URL. So this particular URL is intended to verify who you are. So you will come to this screen, click on next, click on I agree, click this link. Then after clicking I agree, will get to know this particular link. Click on that. That will redirect you to Facebook. If you are already logged in Facebook, you will be coming to this screen. If you are not logged in, then it will ask to log into your Facebook account. So you can log into your Facebook account and just click on I agree, and it says you can go to SRT now. Then you can just close this particular tab and reload the SRT. So this should be done only once. It won't ask you again and again. So it will ask this only the first time you do this. So now we came to the media task. So we clicked on the media, right? So this is the media task. So the first step, click on the URL. Just wait for the website to load. Some websites take time to load. First they show blank white screen, then the website will load. So the website loaded. So on the right side, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total 6 different options. The Ken label, it essentially means you can label this particular one because there are no errors. You can see the image, or you can, the product exactly matches what